Welcome to Cooking with Anton. We're going to make some guacamole, green food. Need a couple of avocados. Slice it in half. When you pick these, they want to be a little bit squishy to the touch. You don't want those really hard avocados, else you'll never be able to make it down. Now, if they have a little bit of brown in there like that, that's okay. You don't want them where they have that black stuff, but this is perfect. What will help speed this up, I make a little grid. I use a rounded butter knife and scoop it out. To get the pit out, give that a tap, and the knife just picks it right out. Guacamole is a very simple recipe. I had a gentleman from Mexico tell me that my guac was better than his mother's. And I went, wow, that's saying a lot. So you're getting that recipe. Very simple. We're going to use avocado, lemon, and some onion, and a little bit of hot sauce. I like to use a sweeter red onion for my guac. And don't need a lot. This isn't onion dip, this is guacamole. So I've taken an edge off of the onion, and I'll probably use about a tablespoon or two. With onions, chop in the direction of the grain, then chop against the grain, and you have instantly minced your onions into little pieces. We'll take the juice of the lemon, going to add some salt. Use your judgment. If this was on your dinner plate, you know just how much salt you want. That's how much you're going to put in here. Just a splash of some hot sauce. Of course, that's up to you, how much fire you want in there. The best mixing implement for guacamole, if you have good soft avocados, is a fork. So we're just mashing this with the tines of the fork. If your avocados are a little bit harder, then the food processor is just fine for this. Now stir this to whatever degree of chunkiness you want. Smooth, really chunky. And then once it's where we want it, we're going to take a tomato and slice it into a few little chunks. I'm just going to put these tomatoes on top and around the edges for color. Take some cilantro. It's fresh cilantro here. Put that in. We've got some color. And then we'll grab ourselves a bowl of chips. And look at that. Look how beautiful that is. There we go, beautiful green food, fresh guacamole. This is Cooking with Anton. Remember, be good to those you love, be good to yourself.